Got a minute? Here are some ways to save money on tech purchases this summer and beyond. eBay is offering a summer series of deals to coincide with major events like the Olympics and Labor Day. On eBay's Twitter account, vote for items you want to see discounted. Once the vote concludes, the winning item is available to buy in the Android or iOS app for 48 hours. eBay also has standalone deals on tech items like laptops, phones, fitness trackers and LED TVs that don't require voting or an eBay membership to buy. Honey is an extension for popular browsers like Chrome and Firefox that may save you money on Amazon purchases. Once installed, navigate to a product page and you'll see the extra button pop up next to the price if it finds a cheaper alternative. Honey also works on other sites. Click the icon in the toolbar and it surfaces coupon codes and discounts. When you're viewing the shopping cart, click Try Codes so Honey can automatically apply them to get the best discount. In San Francisco, I'm Lexi Savides, CNET.com for CBS News.